Human resources management is all about emotional intelligence and empathy. But the reality is, HR managers often spend more than half of their time on routine tasks, like screening resumes, handling paperwork, managing employee records, and more. But here's the good news. Artificial intelligence can completely transform this process. Let's dive into the top 7 ways AI is changing the game in human resources. Use case 1, hiring and recruitment. AI can screen resumes, analyze candidate behavior, and even predict how well someone will fit into the team. Use case 2, onboarding and offboarding. Starting a new job can feel overwhelming. AI tools help new hires settle in by giving them all the info they need about the company, their role, and what to expect. On the other side, when someone's leaving, AI can collect feedback and spot patterns that might show where improvements are needed. Use case 3, training and upskilling. Training isn't one size fits all, and artificial intelligence makes sure it doesn't have to be. AI systems can recommend courses based on each person's skills and goals. That means people learn what's actually useful to them and stay more engaged. Use case 4, chatbots and virtual assistants. Got a question about vacation days or company policy? Instead of waiting on HR, employees can ask an AI chatbot. Virtual assistants can take care of repetitive questions, so HR teams can focus on more important work. Use case 5, workforce planning. Staffing needs change, and artificial intelligence helps HR stay one step ahead. It looks at performance, business trends, and upcoming projects to suggest how many people you need and when. Use case 6, talent management. AI can help spot top performers and suggest ways to help them grow. It might recommend training, mentorship, or new opportunities, tailored to the person. Use case 7, performance and engagement. How's your team feeling? Who might be at risk of burnout? AI tools can track engagement and gather feedback in real time. They help HR spot problems early and make changes that actually improve motivation and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates from the tech world.